Hey guys, now we'll start another function or method within the find and replace methods that we have. The next method that we'll be looking at is the replace method. Now, what does replace method does is uh, a replace method basically is replace method is used to replace all of occurrence of a substring within a string. Yeah, all occurrence with another substring. So you find a particular substring, replace it with another substring. So this is used to create another string by replacing some parts of the original string whose gist might remain unmodified. So for an example, real-time application, this method can be used to replace multiple spelling mistakes in a document at a time. Yeah, probably you must have used it in Microsoft Words or something like that. Yeah. Now, this replace method can also replace selected number of occurrences of substrings in a string instead of replacing them all. So you can use this method not only to replace all the occurrences, but you can have specified occurrences also replaced using it. Yeah. So let's first understand the syntax of this particular method. So the syntax of this is you have the string, yeah. Then we have the replace method. Then you have the old string that you want to replace with the new one, yeah. And then there is an optional parameter of count, yeah. How many of them you want to replace, yeah. So only the first occurrences are replaced if the argument count is given, yeah. So you need to be careful when using these parameters, whether you want to replace everything or you want to replace a particular parameter, a particular string from a particular place. Yeah. Now this method returns a copy of string with all occurrences of substring old replaced if the optional argument count is given. Yeah, is not given. Only the first count occurrence are replaced. Yeah. So let's see. We'll use the same example of a substring. Here we'll replace. We replace all occurrences of substring. Yeah. So let's see. Welcome to iScan Analyze. I want to replace all occurrence of E, small e with capital Z. So I give the new value or the replacing string, yeah, replace string as Z. So I want to replace E with Z. Yeah. And I will say string after replacing. Let me write this string after replacing the substring. Yeah. So what I specify is string dot replace. I need to replace what I want to replace. The old value is E. Yes. And the new value is triple str. That is Z. Yeah. Oh, there is some. So I just replace underscore str. Just put as well. Yeah. So what we are trying to replace is we are trying to replace E with Z for all occurrences. Yeah. So wherever it finds small e, it will replace it by capital Z. Let's see. You see this? So welcome E has been replaced with capital Z everywhere where I am able to find E. Yeah, small e. See, the capital E is not replaced. So it is very case sensitive. Yeah, it is only replacing the small e. The capital E is not replaced at all. Yeah. So when we pass such parameters to the substring, yeah, it will automatically replace all occurrences. Now let's see if I specify that I want to replace only one occurrence. So suppose I change this above code, yeah, replace. So when we pass the substring parameter along with optional count, so we replace substring by passing the optional count parameter. Yeah, the method only replaces the first occurrence in the string. So suppose I want to put it as comma 1. Yeah, let's see what happens. You'll find it has only changed the first occurrence of E, which was after W. Yeah, whereas previously it has completely changed all the occurrences of small e. Here, since we specified the count, it has changed only the first occurrence of E. Yeah, so that's the difference. Yeah. Now, when we pass two substrings, okay. Now, when we try to pass two substrings and count equals to 0 as parameters to the method, the original string is returned as the result. Yeah. So suppose I want to replace I can analyze with Python. Yeah. So let me write this. Suppose I have this particular thing. I'm saying I can analyze. I want to replace it with Python. So it will usually give me Python. Okay. Python. I want to replace E, no, not E, but I can analyze with Python. And the occurrence I specify as 0. Now, in this example, what I'm trying to replace is I can analyze with Python. So ideally, the string should occur as welcome to Python. Yeah. But since we have passed the count as 0, this method does not modify the string. Yeah. So let's see. See, it is not modified at all because I have specified the occurrence as 0. Suppose I put it as 1, it will change the string to Python. You see this? So since I specified the occurrence as 0, it is not asking me to do anything. Yeah. So it will not replace I can analyze to Python. It will keep the original string as it is. Yes. So this is how you can use find in your string methods towards finding, replacing, uh, to clean your data, make it more worthy for doing thorough analysis about your data. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues. Comment if you have any views on this video, if you have any additional opinions on this video. Do subscribe to my channel to get such more informative videos automatically to your inbox. Yeah. Thank you so much.